Hi boys and girls. Today we are going to talk about telling time to the half hour on digital and analog clocks. We will start by reviewing telling time to the hour. Before we do that, I want us to practice counting by fives. So I put our chart up here and you're going to count along with me. Say it with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. The reason we did that is because on our clock here, you can see the different numbers. And we said last week, this is called the face. It has the numbers 1 through 12. And then our clock has two hands. It has the long minute hand and the short hour hand. When the short hour hand is pointing at a number and the long minute hand is pointing at 12, we say o'clock. So right now this is on our analog clock, 10 o'clock. And I can write that on the bottom here in the digital clock. So I'm going to put the number 10 first, and then I'm going to put the numbers 0, 0 for o'clock, 10 o'clock. I'm going to do a few more examples with you. If I move the hour hand here, so the hour hand is on 7 and the minute hand is on 12, it is now 7 o'clock, and this is what it would look like on a digital clock, 7 o'clock. Let's do one more. This is 3 o'clock. And again, we'd write the 3 and the two dots, and we have 0, 0, and we say 3 o'clock. The reason we count it by fives is that each of these numbers stands for 5 minutes. And there are 60 minutes in an hour. So when this goes around, it's 3 o'clock, 3:05, 3:10, 3:15, 3:20, 3:25, 3:30. Okay? So when our hour hand is between two numbers and the minute hand is on the 6, we say 30. So right now it's 3:30. And the way that we'd write that on the digital clock is you'd have the number 3, and then instead of having 0, 0, you would write the number 30, 30. So this is 3:30. And again, the hour hand is past the 3. So we say 3. It's half past 3 or 3:30. If I move it like this, it's now past the 4. So it's going to be half past 4 or 4:30. And again, that's 4, the two dots, and 30. After it goes past a number, it becomes that number plus 30 when the big hand is on the 6. So this here, you can see my red hand is past the 7, so it is 7:30. 7:30. I'm going to grab our other clock and we're going to practice some more of telling time to the half hour. Give me one moment. Okay, I'm back. This one's a little easier. So right now, we look. The red hand's on the 5 and the blue hand is on the 12, so it's 5 o'clock. As it goes around, we're past the 5. It's on the 6, so we'd say it's 5:30. If I go around 3 more hours, it's going to go past the 8. So now it's 8:30. In another hour, it's going to go past the 9, 9:30, 10:30, 12:30. I'm going to show you guys a time and give you a minute to tell me what time it is. So, what time does this clock show? That's right, 8:30. I go backwards some more. Now it shows, it's between the 2 and the 3, so it's 2:30. If you have any questions about how to tell time to the hour or half hour, please let me know. I hope everyone's doing well, and I will see you soon.